Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna turn this whiskey box into a bag. For that you need to cut it into half and then cover it with a glue, whichever glue you prefer. Here I've used the Fevicol. Now get some rope. I prefer this one because it gives the vintage vibe. Take the rope and then start from the top part of the box and then circulate it in a circular motion till you come to an end. Make sure you don't have any loopholes or any places that the blue part is showing off, because trust me, it won't look good later when you create a bag out of it. Then after that I secure it with more Fevicol just to be sure. Then take a fabric. I just cut it into a part, secure the both end with fabric glue. The concept here is I just want to make a pouch out of it. So yeah, it's self-explanatory, you can see in the video itself. So now it's time to put the pouch inside the cylindrical box that we have. So after that you will get something like this. Sorry, I forgot to add the clip where I made the handle and then the pouch thing where you can shut the opening of the bag, if it makes sense. Sorry, I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, you can see it there itself. So you can save some cash, make back to yourself, use the plastic bottles or the whiskey box that you get everywhere and anywhere. It's just good to create something on your own. Hope you enjoyed this video.